Hello everyone, this is Helen of Topsharp. I'm at our production workshop now. We are producing one of our humidifiers. This one is two noodles. You miss the outputting. The working time can up to 4.8 hours. The advantage of our humidifier is big miss. You can see it. And this two position is our quality inspection position for the function and the appearance. They can make sure the quality of our humidifier and 100% inspection will be operated for each order. Choose us, you can win in your market. Thank you for watching. Okay, these four models belongs to our dual mist series. This one is HF10113, and this one is HF103, and this one is HF101S, and this one is the HF1. This one is dolphin cotton shirt. Very lovely, with transparent cup. You can see they are very small. You can use them in your office, car, or at your home. Very convenient.